What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do a soak off. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and thumbs up this video if you like it. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you clip down all their nails, and you want to look underneath the nail to make sure you don't cut any skin that possibly grew up. After you clip the nails down as far as you can get them, you want to go in with a coarse bit. I'm using a 3X coarse to do it fast. Plus, I have my E-file on about a 30. It's either between 25 and 30 is the speed I have it on. Now, when you're using an E-file up this high to remove bulk, you want to make sure you're not keeping it in the same spot. You want to just go over it one time and move to a new section. Also, you don't want to keep it on the same nail for too long. So once you file down a little bit on each nail, just go to the next nail. Give that nail enough time to cool off because the friction will cause the nail to get hot. Now, you want to make sure when you're using a coarse bit and you're using it at a high speed, all your movements need to be very precise and controlled because you don't want to nick them. If you nick them with this, you're going to make them bleed. So you want to make sure that you can control your E-file at this speed before you use it this high. Okay, guys, so once you file most of the acrylic down, you can stop and go ahead and go in and clip the nails down further. Like, you want to clip them down as much as you can get, especially if your client is someone that likes to get, fill ins. Clip those down pretty short so that they won't grow out as fast on the nails. After I clip them down as short as I can get them, I go back in with my e-file and I probably turn it down a little lower, just depending on how much acrylic I already filed off. And then I just continue to get the acrylic as thin as I can get it without, damaging the natural nail. So once you get the acrylic to a nice thin layer, that's when you can put you some acetone in a bowl and have them let their nails soak. Now this is not going to be a long soaking process due to us taking most of the acrylic off. We just wanted to get that last layer off just to start fresh with a new set. And you want to make sure you go in with your cuticle pusher and push down. You don't want to scrape up because you can damage the natural nail like that. So I always go in a downward motion and just scrape it off. It should flake off just like that. It shouldn't be sticky or anything like that. And you just want to keep doing that same thing. Put it back in the acetone, let it soak for a little bit, take it back out, scrape it off until it's done. And then sometimes If I'm kind of in a hurry, I'll go in and just take my bit and kind of like file the rest of the acrylic off. But make sure you're not using it at a high speed, because at that point you're at the natural nail. It's just some parts that still have a little acrylic on there. After I'm done soaking the nails off, I like to go in and just make the free edge of the nails, look nice and neat before I go in with my nail tips or anything. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be doing 2 different giveaways, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.